say, man, toast. I ain't got a brag, ain't got a boast. I ain't made it yet, but then let them boast.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying blessed. We have another part of the video where we're doing the Underglow kit from One Up Lighting, so shout out to them. And yeah, that's what we're installing today on this second part of the video. I'll also do a startup with the new downpipe and everything on this video. You guys heard in the last one, but it'll be on this one too, just so we can give it some, nice spark. All right, y'all, stay here. All right, car is raised up. Here's the glue gun. We're gonna be gluing the One Up Lighting Underglow kit. Gino does that. This is gonna be a 6th install on Underglow kit. Everyone's doing it, man, so. All right, Brent, yep. Everybody's got it.
Not everybody.
Close. Gino, you wanna show them real quick? There we go.
Lights.
Lights.
Where's the fucking plug at? Alright, so challenge.
Okay.
This is in the wrong. This is swung out.
Yeah. I can fix that real quick.
Remember, you don't have to dismantle as much as I did the first time we did this.
Huh?
Remember, we don't have to dismantle as much
Yeah,
as
yeah,
we
yeah.
Just getting it all set up here.
So I didn't want to put those screws back in.
I believe Gino already glued it, right, Gino?
Nope.
Not yet. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So we're just setting it up. There we go. Obviously, this is the passenger side. It's gonna go over here too in the rear.
Right.
And then you guys on the driver's side.
This is 2 bolts from his bumper.
See how it all comes together in the very end. But I trust these guys for sure. All right, y'all. I'll keep you updated. Much love and blessings. Skylyfe Projects. All right, y'all. Let me show you what's going on.
Well, I'll just hold on to this and I'll show him when we get back.
Gino's just gluing the rear up there for the One Up Lighting kit. Looks like he's got this side down. You guys can see it. Let me put the light on here so you guys can see it. All right, there we go. All the way down to there.
Where do we took all that extra light?
I was gonna say I was gonna say come out this way.
No, that's stupid. You can't have them there.
Oh.
Because then the cops can see them and you get a ticket.
Well, you can't be able to see the actual light?
They said you can run with any color you want as long as it's solid, and they can't physically see the light bulbs. That's all right.
Any color, okay.
Not really. You just gotta put the lights in a little bit further in.
I think red and blue though are not. You cannot run that.
I've been running red and blue all week.
True.
And last night, and we got passed up by a freaking Mesa PD on the fucking 101.
And they didn't do anything?
Nope. He flew by us like we were standing still.
Really?
And we were doing like 85. And he got on the freeway and took off.
What are you guys doing in Mesa?
We went down to Tortilla Flats last night on a drive.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, it was fun. Until we got stuck behind some slow people.
Oh, great.
Mainly Justin.
So this is gonna sound weird.
Yeah.
But can you reach in my pocket and grab another stick and load me up?
Which pocket?
That one.
You want to see your grab a stick and load them up?
I can't let go.
Sorry.
How far in doesn't he go? Oh, okay. That was gay, man. Super, super, super gay.
I know.
Just kidding.
That's why I said This is gonna sound weird, but
Yeah.
Weird man. Go to pocket, grab my stick and load me up.
Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty awkward.
that's not a 20-year-old response if I ever heard one.
Ow!
That's your fault.
That is.
Hey,
Shut up, Kobe.
exactly, I'm a 20-year-old. That is a 20-year-old response. I'm sorry. Should I get that way?
No, you're good. You're just busting your balls in the same way.
He talks a lot of shit.
All right, y'all. We have one more corner here on the Underglow kit. Just checking back. It's right there. There's the wire hanging. Gino is tucking them really nice in the wheel well, right?
But when I was
It's in the wheel well.
younger,
Yep.
and world travel, I used to think it was gross, you know, like,
I'll show you guys what's going on under here. If I can get under here. All right, so there it is. All the way down there.
And
It's hard. I'm tall. Oh shit. It's hard to get under here.
have you ever had real sushi?
Let me see if I can get better in the back. Hold up, guys. Right there.
Why?
So we glued it. We didn't use the drill down screws, nothing like that, because that has a chance of piercing everything. We don't want to pierce the bulb.
You allergic to shellfish or
So that's what he was saying. It's really stupid to do that, especially on this kit. It's fragile. And that's what it looks like with the hot glue. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Very clean in my opinion. So, like I said, Gino's done 6 of these, so I will be his 6th install on the Underglow kits. All different brands. So first for the one I'm lighting. So yeah, I'll be back in a sec.
Black and gray.
Alright, just want to show you guys the VLANs turned on here.
Yeah, but which one's which?
They're bright.
Black is
Like
black,
super
gray is
bright, bro. Once I get my new camera set up, it's really going to show on these lights, because right now it looks like shit in the GoPro, but I'll get that soon. You guys have more vibrant colors here and content. Still got to put the race MAF in.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Right.
Can't get it to. Maybe it's not a strong enough connection.
And he's
Even if they flash, are they flashing at all?
No.
and we're trying to tap in the wire to the DRLs right now. Looks like there's an issue. Brent, try to put the car in all the way to full accessory.
It is.
No,
It is.
just turn the lights all the way on.
They are all the way over.
They are.
This car isn't on.
It shouldn't be.
Battery's dead.
How?
Probably from. It's probably been keyed on to the whole time from the time we were doing fucking with the headlights.
All right, just want to show you guys here. The Underglow is on. Have the app, so all these colors change. You know, over I think it's like 260 colors or something like that. Something crazy. You can see it there. So obviously, when it's more on the ground, get a better idea. There's the VLANs. Still going at it, doing the PRL map house, or excuse me, Rampage map house now.
I don't see how you would have been able to get all this done in one day by yourself. To be honest.
It's a lot.
If I was doing it by myself, I would have had him show up at 5:30.
I was gonna say.
But since I knew you were coming, then I knew I'd have a competent assistant. Shit.
But yeah, y'all, once it gets installed here, I will flip the camera around and show you when it's on the ground. We will do an exhaust clip video as well with the new downpipe on. I'm extremely tired, but love y'all. Just stay around there. All right, so back, got the race MAF in, thanks to Brent. The inlet's back in, and yeah, I just got to put the covers on, start this baby up. Of course, you guys will get that exhaust clip and see the underglow and everything as well. So It's almost done. Long day, right, Brent?
Nope. It's a normal day.
For sure. I copied Brent on this. He's a little upset about it, but
Not really.
he'll get over it.
Not upset. It takes a lot to upset me.
Yes.
That shit, there goes what?
But all right, guys.
So there's no like
Moment of truth.
serial number, right?
Let's see how it all comes together. Oh, hold up. Let me show you one thing.
The XDI.
Gino's over here doing the stage
the fuel,
2
to activate the
variable.
fuel pumps.
Right, but that's not necessary for anything that we're doing here.
No.
So I should just be able to hook
A lot of talking going on, but that's he's uploading the stage 2 variable file to my Honda. So it is a lock file for now. It doesn't mean it's going to be forever. Obviously, when I get the P600 turbo in and everything like that, which I'm going to do with new fuel, everything like that, I'm going to go Rampage because that's an unlockable file, right? And you can make revisions, but with variable, you can't. It's locked. But I'm going to show you guys why in a later video, why I went with variable stage 2 over everything else. So stick around, wait for that video. All right, as you guys can hear, we're just getting it warmed up right now, getting it used to the tune. But look at all that flow, bro. Woo! Hold on, let me turn the light on for you guys. There you go. Revving in just a moment here. Yeah, so that was the RV6 downpipe connected to the RV6 front pipe. The downpipe is catted. Both are ceramic coated to an HKS Ligamax exhaust, as you guys know. Super fucking tired, bro. Like straight up super tired. But this day was been a hell of a lot of fun. And yeah, excited for it to be over, to be honest with you, because I'm going to bed, man. Straight up. I'm going to show you guys the race map right there. 3.5. Downpipe is under there. Put the heat shield back over it. No blanket. And just got to put the cap on. There we go. Alright, everything's up. APR carbon fiber. Side panels and radiator panels coming up. So, yep. Serial motor strut bar. I'm going to rev in just a moment, guys. So, stay tuned. Be right back. The exhaust. Do you want to rev it real quick, bro?
How high? 2-3 grand?
Yeah, maybe. Oh, hold up. Alright, here you go, guys. RV6 downpipe installed. Alright, go. Try a little higher, 35. Does it go to 4 or no? Again? Higher? No, just right there. Sick. Damn, that sounds fucking beautiful, bro. I'll figure out this Underglow kit when I get home, because right now everybody wants to go, so I'll pull up out of here. Might have to get some runs in another video, yeah. Cool. But yeah, alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll do another video with some runs with the downpipe and everything installed. So put this on real quick. Alright, now you can see me. But yeah, never give up, keep pushing forward, never hesitate for anything you ever do. Always remember, count your blessings. Skylyfe Projects, we out.
Team, only things we talk about. Money coming in faster than it's ever been, like Cali. All we do is win, posted in the valley. Cash moves everything around me. Like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way you be sounding. Fill my cup up for the one.